Samsung is finally going to change the design of the cameras of their devices, and it has already leaked how it will be the Galaxy A36 in a render that has been prepared by Giznext in collaboration with OnLeaks. So everything seems to indicate that Samsung is finally going to abandon this ultra-minimalist design with completely separate cameras that it had in its entire line. At least it looks like the Galaxy A36 is going to integrate this camera module in a pill form, and in fact it's a camera module that we haven't seen lately. Maybe it was seen in the early days of multi-camera cell phones, but nowadays many manufacturers are going for much larger or flashier modules. Samsung seems to be keeping this minimalist trend, but at least there will be a change of look with respect to past generations, because lately Samsung phones looked very similar, even between different ranges. So now it will be a little easier to differentiate if you have a Galaxy A36, and possibly the Galaxy A56 will integrate this same design. In this video, you also get to see that the bezels are still going to be slightly wide, especially at the bottom, but apparently Samsung will also go for a fairly slim design on these devices. Another attractive thing that could have this device is that it is said to arrive with Android 15 factory installed, i.e. with One UI 7. So it still cannot be presented until One UI 7 reaches its stable stage, but it is said that soon it will be officially presented, surely in conjunction with the Galaxy A56. They will be two of the most attractive devices in the mid-range, so let's keep very close to them. Because of the processor, I told you recently that it is said that it could be a Snapdragon. However, one of those manufactured by Samsung, which do not usually give such high performance. So maybe they will still not have a very attractive processor, but the rest of its features will undoubtedly be good. Stay tuned because I will be telling you everything I can find out about them.